morning, Celebam. So, welcome to our new videos for today, unboxing from Shopee. So, let's check it out.
I am very factory next out at the page.
It's a fake. Let's see if it's fake. Are you sure it's a fake?
Yes, it is heavy.
Dito ba yan?
And I will give you a bit. Ibalik-balik.
Ta-da!
Wait lang. Ano naman yung papa?
Ayun na, ayun na.
Hinaan mo naman.
Basta madam.
Sound mo.
Laundry. Singa naman.
Laundry detergent.
Singa naman
So,
niya.
this is from Shopee.
Singa naman niya.
This is 8.99.
Singa naman niya. Niya. Singa naman.
Let's open the ayun pa.
Oh?
Ayan. Ano ba?
You need to,
Ano guys? So, sulit ata siya kasi 8.99. Normally, we buy yung mga nasa tindahan lang. So, normal, diba? Kaya dyan, guys. Kaya mo, guys?
Okay. Wait.
Ayan.
So we very God.
Yes. Ito pala.
Loading.
Wala. Ay, sorry, guys.
dahil hindi na po nila alam kung paano buksan. Hindi hirap po sila kung paano buksan.
May section.
Gumagamit na po ng lakas kung paano mabuksan.
Ako na. Hindi na pa ba ako na. It's my turn.
Mabango siya, guys. So this is from SNR.
Ilang kilo na ba?
10 kilos for 8.99 from Shopee. Since mayo kami pambakal membership card, di kami makalaog sa Lander, ay sa SNR.
Ay, pagkaan.
Ba?
Dahil mo na,
Ano na, guys?
Sige, that's
namot
right.
man. Yan. Diba? Sulit na siya, guys, for 8.919 kilos na siya. May kasama na siyang balde, oh, diba?
See that? They are big.
Yun lang, guys. So, thank you.
Look like a
And
first.
please don't forget to subscribe.
Bye!
You do this video.